Hello everyone, in this video, we'll uncover the surprising health and beauty benefits of drinking copper water. You'll learn how to easily include it in your daily routine for maximum results. Plus, we'll share essential tips to safely use a copper vessel. Stay tuned to discover how this ancient practice can transform your health. Women often juggle multiple responsibilities, leading to stress and anxiety. Copper water supports your nervous system and boosts brain health. Drink a glass of copper water first thing in the morning for a calm start to your day. Copper water also promotes better sleep by calming your mind and reducing tension. Low iron levels are common among women, leading to fatigue and weakness. Copper aids in absorbing iron from your food, keeping your energy levels up and reducing anemia risks. Pair it with a balanced diet for maximum benefits. Drinking copper water regularly can support better iron absorption and overall vitality. Eyesight problems are becoming common due to screen time. Copper contains antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage. Drinking copper water daily can help reduce eye strain and maintain better vision. Pair this habit with regular eye exercises for improved eye health. Copper has natural anti-inflammatory properties that speed up wound healing. For women dealing with skin cuts or burns, copper water can support faster recovery while reducing the risk of infection. Combine it with a nutrient-rich diet to further enhance your body's healing process. Thyroid issues are common among women. Copper plays a vital role in balancing your thyroid hormones. Drinking water stored in a copper vessel can support your thyroid health naturally over time. Consistent use can help improve overall hormonal balance and energy levels. Copper helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and improves blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Women can protect their hearts by making copper water a part of their daily routine. It also helps in reducing inflammation, which can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Many women experience joint pain, especially as they age. Copper water has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce pain and stiffness. It's a natural remedy for healthier, more flexible joints. Regular consumption of copper water can improve joint mobility and support overall bone health. By incorporating copper water into your daily routine, you can feel more active and pain-free. Many women experience joint pain, especially as they age. Copper water has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce pain and stiffness. It's a natural remedy for healthier, more flexible joints. Regular consumption of copper water can improve joint mobility and support overall bone health. By incorporating copper water into your daily routine, you can feel more active and pain-free. Copper has natural antibacterial properties that fight bacteria in your mouth. This helps prevent cavities, bad breath, and gum diseases. Drinking copper water can be a simple addition to your oral hygiene routine. It also promotes healthier gums and reduces the risk of oral infections. By incorporating copper water into your daily routine, you can enjoy fresher breath and a cleaner mouth. Lastly, for pregnant women, copper water provides essential minerals that support the baby's development. It strengthens the immune system and ensures clean, bacteria-free water for the mother. Always check with your doctor before adding it to your routine. Copper water can also aid in reducing fatigue and improving overall energy levels during pregnancy. Let us look at how to use copper vessel correctly and efficiently. To get the full benefits, store clean water in a copper vessel overnight and drink it in the morning. Avoid using copper water all day long, 1 or 2 glasses are enough. Clean the vessel with lemon and salt regularly to keep it safe and effective. Here are the key takeaways. Copper water offers numerous health benefits, starting with reducing stress and anxiety. It also improves iron absorption and supports better eye health, helping you maintain energy and focus. Copper's anti-inflammatory properties speed up wound healing and ease joint pain, making it a natural remedy for various conditions. Regular consumption also supports thyroid function and heart health, keeping you in balance. Additionally, copper water sharpens your brain and promotes a healthy pregnancy, providing essential nutrients for overall well-being. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. We hope you found this video on the benefits of copper water helpful. It's a simple, natural way to boost your health, from reducing stress to improving digestion. Make sure to clean your copper vessel regularly for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and share it with others. Stay healthy.